Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video I'm going to share with you this purple and gold half cut crease bridal eye makeup tutorial. I have hooded eyes, so along the way I'll be sharing with you so many tips and tricks to achieve perfect cut crease in case you have hooded eyes too. And if you guys have been following me on Instagram, or if you have seen my community tab post, you must know that I recently moved to California and I'm still busy with my apartment setup and stuff, like unpacking. You know, it's a long move, so I'm still busy, and I hope that I'll be able to upload videos regularly from next week onwards. So yeah, I just hope so. So please be patient with me. And yeah, before starting, if you are new to the channel, then hi, I am Neeta. I upload makeup, skincare and beauty related videos here on my channel. If those things interest you, then please consider subscribing. It will mean a lot to me. And if you are already a subscriber, then thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So yeah, without further blabbering, let's get started. As always, I'm starting with my brows first. For that, I'm taking my ABH Deep Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony, and with this Morphe angled brush, I'm just drawing the borders of my brows first, then I'll be filling them up using small hair-like strokes. An updated eyebrow routine is coming up pretty soon on my channel, so please stay tuned for that. Now I am taking my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Sand, and with this lip brush from Puna store, I am just cleaning up the borders of my brows so that my brows look well shaped and defined. Whenever you are doing a bridal look or a full glam party look, I highly suggest you to follow this step. It just makes your brows look so much more prominent and crisp. And I am applying the same concealer on my eyelids to prime my eyelids for eyeshadows. That is coming up next. You can use any concealer or eyeshadow primer that you have in your collection. Now I am just blending it out using a damp beauty sponge. This particular sponge is from Wet n Wild, and this is like one of my favorite drugstore sponges ever. Now I am taking my Flower Beauty Miracle Matte Universal Finishing Powder, and I am just setting the concealer so that it does not crease. And for my eyes, first I'm taking this matte purple shade from my ABH Norvina Volume 5 palette, I believe. And with this brush from Morphe, I'm just applying it as my crease color. Since I have hooded eyes, I am placing the color a little bit higher than usual, and I am slowly building it up to avoid any kind of patchiness. With matte blue shades or like purple shades, they tend to become patchy pretty easily, so I'm just slowly depositing the colors to make sure that everything is nice and smooth. I'm quite happy the way it's looking right now. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this particular shade. This is a beautiful like purpley pink shade, and with this Morphe JS15 brush, I am diffusing the border. This is basically my transition color, and it's creating a beautiful transition from the darker shade to my skin tone. And this palette in general is very pigmented and they are not patchy at all. Now it's time to cut the crease, and for that I'm using the same concealer and the same brush from Puna store. And first I'm just marking the area where I want to place my cut crease, and I'm using smaller strokes to avoid any mistake. Now I'm taking my Garnier Micellar water, and with this Q-tip I'm just removing the concealer underneath. I'm actually cleaning up the lid space to have a nice clean canvas for my lid shades. This step is totally optional. Now I am just reapplying the concealer very carefully because I do not want it to be right beyond that cut crease that I just made. So yeah, I'm just being very careful here. I am just blending out the concealer again very carefully. With the same powder, I'm just setting the concealer again so that it does not crease. And Now I am taking this beautiful like dark purple shade from the palette, and with the same brush I'm applying it on my outer V area. This is a pretty like monochromatic look, so this is like all purple and stuff. And again, I'm just slowly building it up because I do not want any kind of patchiness. I switched to a different brush because I wanted some kind of fluffy brush so that the color gets blended beautifully. Now I am taking this beautiful, like fantastic warm gold shade. It has a shift of pink and purple in it, and with this flat shader brush from Morphe again, I'm applying it on the inner part of my eyelid. And I think I applied my NYX glitter primer underneath and I couldn't find the clip. Now I am taking this shimmery purple shade and I'm just popping it right here on the outer part of my eyelid, and at the same time I'm blending it with the gold shade as well as with the darker purple shade that I applied on my outer V area. Now I am taking this matte purple shade again and I'm applying it between the outer V color and the shimmer shade just to create a nice gradient effect. Taking that dark matte purple shade that I applied on my outer V area, I am just applying it on the border of the cut crease so that my cut crease looks even crisp and prominent. Now I am taking my Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner, and with this eyeliner brush from Morphe again, I'm just creating a nice wing here. I am using the same gel eyeliner for like tightlining my eyes. Gel eyeliners tend to last longer on your waterline. I'm taking that matte purple shade again and I'm just smudging out my entire lower lash line. For that I am using this angled brush from Pune store. Whenever you are doing your lower lash line, just take little by little product, tap up the excess and just slowly build it up. That way you won't mess up with your under eye concealer. Now I am taking this matte purple shade and I'm just applying it on the border of the previous shade just to tie the look together and just to create that smoky gradient look. And now I'm just elongating the inner corners of my eyelids. It will give that illusion of wider and bigger looking eyes. I'm just highlighting my brow bones as well as my inner corners using my Wet n Wild Precious Petals highlighter. Now I'm just curling my lashes with my eyelash curler, and I am applying a coat of mascara. This is my Wet n Wild Big Poppa mascara. One of my favorites again. For my lashes, I'm using this Kiss lashes in the style Gala. I will mention some alternatives in the description bar down below. And here is the final eye look. I truly love how the entire look came together. And if you plan to wear a purple outfit, and purple is very much in fashion nowadays, so if you plan to wear a purple outfit in your big day, I think this can be a perfect look for that purple outfit. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar down below, so please go ahead and check that out. So yes, see you soon in my next tutorial. Till then, bye and take care. Bye.